everyone. Wishing you all a fantastic new year. I'm sure you're all going to do wonders in 2026. So my name is Ranjit Apukuti. You might be following in LinkedIn. So now, as a next step, right, I've initiated a YouTube channel where I'm going to share all my experiences and technical learnings to you. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section. What are the topics I need to cover? What are the technical areas that I need to cover on automation? Everything I will do it for you guys. Okay, it is going to be a kind of a great learning platform where you also share your insights. I will also share your insights. Together we will grow as a community. That is very, very important. Okay, now in 2026, right, everybody wants to start focusing on their career growth. That is very important, right? Everybody wanted promotions, everybody wanted a good opportunity in a different company, but the basic thing that it is lagging is the clarity. There are a lot of confusions among the functional testers, right, who are a bit hesitant to learn technical aspects. So just ensure that, if you wanted to grow, if you wanted to put yourself in the growth mindset, the major thing that you need to work on a strategical roadmap. Everything is easy. There is nothing called it is complicated, right? So here what I've done is, right, I've put together a kind of a strategical roadmap. Okay, so the first phase, right, what I have put is think like a product tester. That is very, very important, because most of the testers, right, when I interacted with them, they lack the product presence, right? So they treat that as an execution entity. They write test cases, they don't get into the depth of the requirement, they don't challenge the requirement, they don't ask questions, right? So we are all the quality gatekeepers, right? We are the quality custodians. So what you all need to do is, right, you need to think from a product perspective. You need to build your base, right? So once you understand the product, right, then you will get into the technical intricacies, how the microservices works, right? So you can even you can work with a developer, right? How we can contribute on backend standpoint, right? Because most of the bugs, right, most of the gaps that can be identified in the API testing, during API testing, right? So all you need to do is write a very simple thing. There are plenty of courses available in the internet. I'm also planning to create strategical videos. So whatever the roadmap that I put together, right, I will put a stage-wise videos in my YouTube channel itself. We will learn the Postman, right? We will understand the REST basics. What are the different status codes you have? What are the different tokens that you have to pass on when you're validating the API, API responses, right? So that also we will cover. And once that is done, right, if you suppose if you have learned API testing, right, a simple API testing using Postman, then what you can do is, right, start expanding your knowledge on automation stuff. That is very, very important. Yeah, many people can challenge me, hardly 50% of the 50% of my team members knows automation. Rest 50 or not even touching the automation. They are purely reliant on functional testing. But end of the day, right, the skill is equal to money, right? If you have that additional skill set, it opens a great opportunity, right? So I know there is a separate debate, right? How many companies are using fully automation, right? It depends on project to project. There are multiple things are there, but skill set and knowledge will help you to open your doors. That is very, very important, right? So pick one automation tool. Say for example, I would ask to start with Java Selenium, because Java Selenium has got lot of breadth of concepts. Okay, and once you master, right, if you're doing Java Selenium, start with Java basics, understand the oops concepts, right? So in my school days and all, I used to have this challenge. I thought during my school days or college days, right, oops, concepts are very challenging to understand. That's how I thought, but in reality that is not the case. It is very, very easy. I'm also planning to put together a simplified Java tutorial version, so for everybody, so that it makes your life easier. I will definitely will work on that, right? So if you master Java, when it comes to Selenium, you have to start working on Selenium WebDriver, right? So you have different commands, right? How to control the your browser, right? So in turn, you will be validating how your web application is, right? So basically, there are plenty of pilot websites are available. You can pick those websites, start doing pilot projects, push your projects into your GitHub, right? That becomes a portfolio for you, right? And then get hands-on Jenkins. Jenkins is an amazing and easiest tool to work on it, right? When it comes to CI/CD implementation. So in the upcoming sessions, right, I will also share my share a demo video on how to work on Jenkins, so that you will get a good insights, right? So and then the next thing is, right, if you master the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, okay, it will take roughly 4 months, 4 to 5 months for sure. Some people it might take beyond also 6 to 7 months as well. That is okay, because don't rush the things, okay? You have to expand your depth. That is very, very important. And even while practicing, right, you can use chat gpt, okay? But don't let the chat gpt to write the entire scripts, okay? Because don't do that. So you have to enable your thinking, and if you have stuck in somewhere, you can use chat gpt to cross refer and do it. Nowadays, right, even GitHub Copilot is very good, right? So I will also post a video on that part, okay? So all I wanted you is, right, just focus on your career path. That is very, very important. So you can't say that, like, I technical working on technical aspects is not my cup of tea. You can't say that anymore. And more importantly, it is not challenging also. It is very, very easy. All you have to do is, right, you have to put some efforts, and then daily practice. That is very, very important. And what happens, so I also put a small follow this thing screen. So what happens is, right, if you start working every day, right, say for example, like if you're working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 hours every day, that becomes an achievable goal, right? That is very, very important, because when you break down small topics, okay, and then when you start learning every day, naturally you will be connected to the concepts, and it becomes much easier for you, okay? So and also what you have to do is, you have to share your learnings to your LinkedIn. That is, LinkedIn is a great platform. And also your GitHub becomes a great portfolio. Many recruiters, right, many interviewers, they look into your GitHub profile and understand how, what are all the things that you're working on. So that is a very, very important for anybody who is looking for a job, okay? And also, right, now coming back to the main thing, right? So this roadmap is going to be the key for everybody, no doubt about that. And what I will also do is, right, I will try to expand each and every topic. I'll try to share some insights, so that you will have a kind of a continuous learning session, okay? I'll try to do my best. And also, if you wanted to explore on any automation tools, everything, right, there are plenty of sources already available, so you can feel free to explore that, okay? So and please, feel free to subscribe this channel. That is very important, so that whatever the learnings that I put, right, whatever the content that I put, it will reach out to you guys, right? And also, if you like this video, please feel free to like this video, and also importantly, share it with your friends and put your comments also. So if you feel that, can you add this topic, so I'll definitely will add that topic, right? So in my next video. So it is going to be like, kind of a platform where you also share your thoughts. I will also, start working on the contents. so that we can make a win-win situation, right? So the quality of it will help me to improve my quality of content also, and I will also understand what exactly you needed so that I can deliver it accordingly, right? And also apart from YouTube channel, right, I do have a LinkedIn as well, right? So you can, if you just search for Ranjit Appakutti, you'll be able to see my LinkedIn profile also. So there also I'm sharing the insights, right? And it is in the form of text post. So where you will also get some insights, and I will also post the interview questions also. I've already started posting SDET interview questions, database level interview questions. Everything will be helpful for enriching your career. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. This is just a first step, and I need your support also. So it is not just a single man's journey, right? It is a collective journey. So I need you all to support my channel, and also please feel free to share your feedback so that that will help me to give something back to this community. I've spent around close to 19 and a half years my time in QA. So I this is the time I wanted to give something back to QA community and enable the QA folks growth. That is the only purpose I've started this channel. So please support me wherever possible. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a fantastic day, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.